Stop in America. Stop in America. Stop in America. Stop in America. First time in America.
So in today's video I will be telling you how to get 550 USD for free, so without spending the time. So before going to how to get this 550 USD, so what I need to do is click on that subscribe button, click on the subscribe button and turn on this notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So for those asking of the link for this video, of the link of the bot for this video, so you go to the description of this video, go down to the description and get the link, or you watch the video properly well to know how to get your free 730 USD for free. So let's go on how to get our 550 USD. So please use some seconds of your time to hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you actually like this video, and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video we will be using Telegram. So let's go to our Telegram. So if you don't have a Telegram account, so you can do it by downloading Telegram and sign up with your phone number. So let's head into the boat. So the boat is actually this is a Terkhh airdrop. So this is the last run, so squeeze the opportunity. So don't miss out, this is the last run. So after this I don't think you will be getting the Terkhh token for free again. So let's go to the boat. So we'll be going to the boat. So let's wait for it to update. So I'll be posting this video for it to update. Alright, let's go to the boat. So this is the boot. This is the boot that is going to actually pay us for the I will be dropping a link of this boat. So I will be dropping a link of this boat. So once you are here, what I want to do, I'll be dropping a link of this boat in the description of this video. So you go to the description and get the link of the boat. So make sure you watch to the end. So once you start, you click on start. So once you click on start, you need to be joining these groups. So you join any of the group that is not yet filled. So you join the group. So once you don't join the group, you join this other channel. So you join this other channel. So once you done joining the channel, you click on check. So once you click on check, so you need to follow them on Twitter. So you follow them on Twitter and retweet their pin posts and tag your friends. So tagging of the friends is not necessary, it's not compulsory, so you can do that or not. So then you copy your retweet link. So this is my retweet link. So you paste. So they'll be asking you for your real, enter your real PM20 address. So this is where so many people get stuck and give up. So the meaning of this real PM20 address is the address that you have actually done some transaction on it. It's not much that you need to have BNB on your wallet, but at least you have done some transaction on your BNB Binance Smart Chain wallet. So that's why they're asking of your real PM20 address. So you need the BNB address that has transaction on it. So you can see I pasted this one. I have used this address before. That's why they showed me BM20 address already exists. So you can see I paste this is my second address. So I just uploaded it. So you can see they have given me 10,000 of a Terkhh token. So you can see I made my withdrawals. You can see the time. So I will be adding the contract address. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So this is a referral link. So if you want to generate a referral link, you click on the referral. So they will be giving you 2,000 of Terkhh coin for every value referral you referred. So let's go to the channel to get the contract address. So let me click on the group 5. Okay, the group 5 is filled up. So the group 5 is filled up. So this is a contract address. So I will be copying this contract address. So I'll be copying this contract address. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload any video. So I'll be dropping a link of this bot in the description of this video. So don't miss out. Make sure you claim this airdrop because this is the last round. So make sure you claim this airdrop as fast as possible. So let's go to our Telegram, our Trust wallet to add a custom token. So I have made a withdrawal yesterday. I applied for a withdrawal yesterday. So let me check if the withdrawal has actually come. So let's wait a little bit. Let's wait a little bit. You can see you can see the Meta Kings token is very annoying. You can see how the price dropped because they have actually unlocked the Meta Kings token. So the pool was dragged down. You can see the price is very annoying. You can see it. So let's go on how to add a custom token. So let me use the wallet I actually the wallet I used yesterday. So let me go to 14th wallet. So if you have not claimed this Meta iPhone token, you can see the Meta iPhone token is actually pumping up. So you can see the price is actually pumping up. So you go to my channel and search for the video. So you can see the video there. If you have not claimed the token, you can do well by doing that. So let's go and add the contract address. So we'll be pasting the contract address we copied. So let's paste it here. So you can see no asset was found. You can see. So you click on add custom token. So let's click on add custom token. So once you click on add custom token, you change this network to from Ethereum to Smart Chain. So I'll be clicking on it. So let me change to Smart Chain. This is Smart Chain. So I'll be clicking on Smart Chain. So I'll be clicking on paste. So once you click on the paste, you can see the name, the symbol, the decimal has appeared. So you click on done. So clicking on the done button. So you can see I have actually gotten my 10,000 Terkhh token. You can see they have actually paid me the 10,000 Terkhh token. So if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So thank you for watching.